how are you? And how are you getting on with this staying inside thing? I know. Well, I'm past the 14-day travel thing. I can't get back to New Zealand to my animals and so on. But it's still business as usual. Staying away from other people is very important. We really need to self-isolate as much as we all possibly can, apart from those who are essential. And I'll tell you what, there's nothing essential about an actor. Anyway, I've actually moved in with a cat. And I'm not sure if the cat likes me. And to be honest, I've got mixed feelings about the cat because the cat's giving me hay fever. Anyway, let's read a story about cats, shall we? And star someone that you know, Hairy Maclary. It's called Hairy Maclary, Scattercat. Hairy Maclary felt bumptious and bustly. Bossy and bouncy and frisky and hustly. He wanted to run, he wanted to race, but the main thing he wanted was something to chase. Grey Wacky Jones was hunting a bee. But along came Hairy Maclary. And chased her high up in a sycamore tree. Naughty dog. So bad. Butterball Brown was washing a paw, but along came Hairy Maclary and buzzled him under a door. All these cats just minding their own business. Pimpernel Pew was painting a ball, but along came Hairy Maclary. And chased her away over Pemberton's wall. Slinky Malinky was down in the reeds, but along came Hairy Maclary. And hustled him into a drum full of weeds. Mushroom McGee was asleep on a ledge, but along came Hairy Maclary. You guessed it. And chased her away through a hole in the hedge. Down on the path, by an old wooden rail, twitching a bit was the tip of a tail. With a bellicose bark and a boisterous bounce, Hairy Maclary was ready to pounce. But around came Scarface Claw. Who bothered and bustled him and rustled and hustled him, raced him and chased him, all the way home. That'll teach him. Naughty, naughty dog. Well, it's goodbye to Hairy Maclary and goodbye to you. For now.